In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone videos overexposed in Premiere Pro. Here I have imported a video on Premiere Pro which is shot on iPhone, but the video is overexposed. Here you can see the imported video. Here is my original clip. Here you can see that there is a difference in colors. To fix this, in the Premiere Pro, from the menu, click on Sequence. Under Sequence, click on Sequence Settings. Under Sequence Settings, click on the General tab. Under General, you have Color. For iPhone videos, by default, it will take Rec 2100 HLG. You need to click on that and select Rec 709. And after that, make sure to check this box, Auto Tone Map Media. And after that, click on OK. Click on OK. Now you can see that now you have the video similar to your iPhone video. So that's it guys. In this way you can fix iPhone overexposed videos in Premiere Pro. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.